Our mission is focused on STEM principles connected to nature-related experiences, and we have a commitment to those underrepresented in STEM careers.
Ready? I'm going to give you scientific tools. You guys have to investigate the seed, right?
We really want that invitation to play, explore, ask questions, get into it, and see where they go. Our farm space is an amazing place for our programming.
One of the unique things about the STEM Connection is it's actually within the borders of our district. We are in an urban school setting, but they are a very rural area in Pike Township. So allowing students to go there and immerse themselves in STEM experiences is not something that we can replicate in the walls of our own buildings.
I started with STEM roughly 4th grade, and I've kind of grown with the camp. I graduated from a high school intern where I was doing more programming stuff, working with the kids, leading activities. It's just an incredible opportunity for kids and parents and adults alike.
I have 2 daughters who have attended STEM Connection. The types of learning that they do here is very hands-on. You know, stuff that you wouldn't always get like in a science lab. I mean, it's more interactive.
They're super curious. They just enjoy being outdoors. That's not an opportunity they normally get.
Our creek is amazing. It's a classroom in itself, allows for so much exploration and discovery and questions. In addition, our gardens, helping children understand not all vegetables come from the grocery store. Just getting them in there where they can be a part of that, where they can taste and they can explore and they can plant and they can be part of the harvest. Our goal is to be outside 99% of the time. On the rare occasion, we need to pull inside for something. So we are so excited that we have a yurt in the winter, opportunity to pull in for a little while.
Nice job. Good job.
One of the things that we love about the STEM Connection is that they provide access to all. Sometimes the school do not have the capacity or budget to provide extracurricular activities, especially focused on STEM.
We have multiple opportunities for students to engage with the STEM Connection. We also partner with them to get family take-home STEM kits.
The STEM kit is a wonderful example of how they are sparking those little minds, right, at the right time.
We want to come alongside the educator, the principal, the family, and we make it all come to life in a way that a child doesn't even realize that they're thinking like an engineer or acting like a technician. We want them to have that experience here, so when they leave, they're ready for whatever comes next.